It's not a C63, it's a CLA.
Whatever,
it's a pink CLA.
Oh my god, hurry. Very cool.
Hey everyone, and welcome to Boston Autoblog. Today we are in the city of Boston. We're going to do some car spotting on St. Patrick's Day. Also, the GT car is the real MVP for today because he's driving us through the city of Boston.
City driving, it's easy. Easy peasy.
So we're going to go back down Newbury Street. There is a Lamborghini Aventador Pirelli Edition, only one of 50. Wait,
like, I don't know.
Okay.
It might be 100.
All right.
We'll fact check it.
All right.
Later.
We're going to fact check that later in the video.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Not fact check it.
Yeah.
All right. No, I can't.
All right. So for any of you who are not from the city of Boston, Newbury Street is like our Rodeo Drive, just a lot less supercars. But there's some nice cars sometimes.
Rodeo Drive, but worse. Look, S2K. S2K. Oh god, that's my face.
We're sounding like fanboys. Please excuse our fanboyness if we start freaking out if we see something really cool.
Right, car spotting in Boston is like Rodeo Drive. You can just sit in one spot and all the cars just drive by you. Boston, you actually have to like go out and find the car.
Very true.
That's why we fanboy over everything. You'd have to do some searching to find the nice stuff.
Oh, nice Maserati Ghibli.
Giblet.
That's got a parking ticket.
Ooh, Panamera.
Got a Panamera right here.
Panamera. Ooh, debadged everything. Leave a blank.
G-Wagon.
G-Wagon.
Purple G-Wagon.
That's.
It might be.
Oh wait, yeah.
It could be. It might. I think it's purple.
Yeah, it's purple. It is purple.
Yeah, it's purple.
C63S
And then we have
and a Maserati Ghibli.
And a Panamera.
And a Panamera.
Panamera 4S. An E something. Debadged. E5.
Yeah, with it being St. Patrick's Day in the city of Boston, being an Irish town, it's extremely packed today, but that might help us with better chances of seeing some really nice cars. It left. No, it's still here.
Still here.
Yep.
Oh.
All right, guys. The Lamborghini Aventador Pirelli Edition right here. All right, we're gonna make probably like what, one or two more passes around,
Yeah,
see what happens.
See what comes up.
Yep.
Prudential Tower right there. Very nice. And then right behind it, you can't see it right now, is the Hancock Tower.
Yep.
Little view of Boston. Berkeley College right up on the corner too.
Yep.
Berkeley College of Music.
So actually, if you guys are like college-age people and want to transfer to Boston, or if you're a high school graduate, we're actually going to show you some of the city as well.
Yeah. Massachusetts' highest population of colleges. Pretty
Yep.
much our highest concentration. That's the word that I was looking for.
Turning on to Boylston, this is probably one of the best places in Boston, especially if you're into high-end stuff. Really nice part of the city. Yeah, if you see the people walking around, they're all wearing green. So this is typical St. Patrick's Day in the city of Boston. It's actually really cold out today, which is one of the reasons why it's best that we're car spotting from the car, and also why I didn't jump out of the car to see the Aventador Pirelli Edition.
Stay nice and warm inside.
Yep.
See, the problem with Boylston and Newbury is that there's just so many Ubers around the area that any 3-lane road just immediately turns into a 1-lane road.
Right. It's 4:45 and these are the lines to get into the restaurants. Yep. But this does create great opportunities to check out some awesome cars in the area.
Tesla store over to the right.
It's right.
I can't really see it.
You can't really see it from this angle, but
we'll see it
there is a Tesla store right here.
Right at the entrance into the Prudential.
Yep. We got nothing. Oh, an S4.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Now we're passing by the Boston Public Library.
Yep, the Boston Public Library is right here.
Newly done over. That whole entrance was finished last year. This building is still attached to it, but that's what the old library used to look like.
Yep. And we got the Hancock Tower in the background.
You'll be able to see it in just a second. Right there.
Yep. Yeah, so now it's Boston Tour Guide blog. All right, so making one more pass on Newbury Street.
Yeah, we'll do
Hopefully
one
there'll
more.
be something new.
Same
Ghibli.
It's also cold today.
Yeah, it's very
33
cold.
degrees out right now, so the chances of people bringing their actual supercars out is like slim to none.
Right, and there's still snow on the ground, and
So the only thing we got going for us is it's a holiday,
yep.
and that's it, really. Summer, once summertime hits, every single day is car spotting day.
Right.
Look at that.
Check
Oh,
out
the
this
girth
wide
on those
bu-
wheels, as the Stradman would say. Look at that girth. Girth Nation over here. Wheels go wider than the fenders.
Yeah.
Both the front and the back. Check that out. That's crazy.
Another G-Wagon right here. Check out this. It's a 320i with black wheels
It's a nice spec.
from Florida.
Miami plates.
Right through the stop sign. Another thing to remember on Newbury Street, road rules do not apply.
Not a bit.
Not at all.
Not one bit.
One more pass around. We'll see if the Lamborghini is still there. I think it's still there. Yep, it's still there. Very, very rare car. Glad to see that in the city of Boston on a day like today. It's Ghibli Day. There's another one down there.
Nice WRX. That's clean.
Yeah,
It's almost too clean. Like, I expect to see some dirt on it.
especially this time of year. Yeah, another one.
That's one thing too. In Boston, at least the Boston area, Massachusetts is a state. A lot of WRXs, a lot of Jeeps.
Yep.
Like polarizing.
And another one.
God. Alright, 3 Ghiblis in all of 100 feet.
All right, one more half loop. I think we're gonna call it a night from there.
It's still daytime,
Yeah.
but you know it.
you get this. Get this.
Look, I swear to you that these rims are GTR rims. They're on a Toyota Sienna. Like, that makes no sense.
Taking one last look at the Lambo before we leave. I think it's a great way to end this video and the last car that we're gonna spot in the city of Boston. Unfortunately, oh, wait a minute, we might have one view right here. Yep, there it is.
Do a slow roll.
All right, guys, so we're gonna call it a day. Actually, really successful car spotting in the city of Boston. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time.